Both of y'all walk over to my vehicle right now.
For what reason?
Right now, because I'm telling you to. Do not play with me, because I'm telling you to.
Name and badge number.
Are we being detained?
You are for
Under
a
the
minute.
suspicion of what crime?
Huh?
Under the suspicion of what crime?
Taking pictures.
No, that ain't a crime.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no.
You're going to go to jail. Put your hands off.
Jail for what?
Hey, listen. I'm not playing around, right?
I'm not
This is
playing around
serious.
either.
Are you back there taking pictures of
Yes,
the car?
I am.
Why?
First Amendment right. Protected journalistic, protection of journalistic freedoms.
You're a journalist?
I might be.
Are you?
I might be.
Why are you taking pictures of vehicles?
Because I can.
You can.
Yes.
Both of y'all walk over to my vehicle right now.
For what reason?
Right now, because I'm telling you to. Do not play with me, because I'm telling you to.
Name and badge number.
Walk to the car.
Name and badge number.
Walk to the car until I figure out what you're doing.
I just told you what I'm doing.
Put your hands on the vehicle, both of them. Put your phone down, sir.
No, I'm videotaping
You can
this.
record me.
I have every
don't
right
care.
to record you.
You do.
My hands are on the vehicle.
You're back here taking pictures of
I'm
the
doing
vehicles
nothing
back.
illegal. You come up here with your holster unhooded,
I haven't cleared
hand on
anything.
your weapon,
I haven't cleared anything, have I?
screaming orders.
Yes.
Are we being detained?
You are for
Under
a
the
minute.
suspicion of what crime?
Huh?
Under the suspicion of what crime?
Taking pictures.
No,
back.
that ain't a crime. Terry versus Ohio
good.
says that you have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime to be able
That's
to
good.
detain me.
That's
What
good.
crime do you suspect me of? If you do not suspect me of a crime, I will be free to go.
27 ball now.
Yes, sir. They're parked outside by the water office now, but they can walk around back.
10-4. I'll have them both right up front. Wait, go ahead. Have some backup.
Are we being detained?
I have 803 around.
You are being detained.
Under the suspicion of what crime?
Huh?
Under the suspicion of what crime?
Listen.
No, there is no
You
listen.
understand.
Unless you can tell me under the suspicion of what crime I'm being detained, I will be free to go.
You're not free to go.
Okay, then
You
I'm
are
being
not free to
illegally
go.
detained. Am I being
You
illegally
are not
detained?
being illegally detained.
What crime do you suspect me of? Or are you in violation of Terry versus Ohio, a Supreme Court ruling that says that you must have reasonable, articulable suspicion?
You can talk and say all this.
Yeah, so can
that
you
want.
assholes.
All that you want. When you come up here,
You lawless jackasses think you run this town, and you don't.
what are you doing?
I'm doing nothing illegal. I'm doing everything that's
You're-
within my constitutional rights to
Okay.
do so.
All right, you're back here looking suspicious with firearms.
Looking
Just to
suspicious isn't a crime.
Just to draw attention to you.
Looking suspicious isn't a crime.
It is when you got a
No,
firearm
it's not a
on
crime.
your side, sir.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes,
what,
it is.
What law are you citing that says it's illegal
What
to
law
look
am I
suspicious? What law are you
Sir,
citing that says it's
If I
illegal to
get a
look
call-
suspicious?
If I get a call about two guys,
1050.
I'm 1050. If I get a call about two guys, they're around there taking pictures of cars
Still not
that
illegal.
have sidearms.
Still haven't cited a law. Still haven't said what
that's
we're doing
fine,
illegal.
but I have reasonable suspicion to
Of what
hold you
crime?
here.
Of what crime?
We'll figure that out here in a minute.
No, we won't. We will figure that out now. If you
Okay.
cannot reasonably articulate a crime that you suspect me of committing, I will be free to go.
All right, here you go.
So you're legally detaining me.
We'll see.
Ever heard of DeVere versus the United States? A citizen who's doing everything lawfully in a lawfully allowed place is not a reason for detention.
So
That makes two Supreme
you're not
Court
here
cases
being-
you're violating.
You're not here trying to make a spectacle of yourself, right?
No,
You're not.
no.
Okay.
I'm actually doing a story on you assholes.
That's a good one, too.
Yeah, it is. It's going to be real great when you're added to it.
Okay.
A lot of fun.
It's gonna
My
be
lawyers are going to have a lot of fun with y'all too.
a Good deal.
You corrupt little podunk ass town cops think you run the place, and you don't.
And you think just because you come up here and cite a couple of laws and carry your firearm, but you're going to be on the internet and be famous.
I don't want to be famous.
You don't.
I don't give a shit.
Then what are you doing then?
I'm writing a story.
A
I am
story.
doing a story on
Who
you.
you
I was
work
getting
for?
B-roll.
Who do you work for?
It's none of your business.
No, I bet. 827 ball now. You got a time frame when 803 will be here?
Sir, I also have a trooper en route to you. 803 should be there momentarily.
10-4.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Right now, I'm not sure if you've done a crime or not.
Okay, then I'm not detained.
You are detained.
You cannot unlawfully detain me. Did you realize that the Supreme
I
Court,
got a- listen,
the Supreme
I got a
Court
call.
has ruled that an unlawful detention is akin to assault and battery?
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the Supreme Court, the highest law of the land.
Okay.
If you had any integrity, you would honor your oath to the Constitution, which you and I have both taken multiple times.
Okay.
This dude doesn't realize I'm a commissioned officer in the state of Arkansas. So again, what are we being detained for?
You're being detained.
For?
Trying to figure out what you're doing here.
No, you have to have reasonable suspicion of a crime. Do they send you to the academy, or they just give any jackass
Just
badge
give
around here?
anybody a badge around here.
Seems like
That's
it.
exactly the way it works.
Seems like it. Running code through town for a non-emergency.
Okay.
I hope they bump in 97 one then. 1137, thank you, sir.
Morning.
What are y'all doing?
Exercising constitutional rights and being illegally
He
detained.
wants to be on the internet.
He said I'm detained and he cannot articulate a crime.
Listen to me.
No, I'm not going to listen to you.
Yes, you are, because you're on city property.
City property is public property.
You're not allowed to be on city property with a firearm.
Wrong.
You're not allowed to be on city property with a
What law is that?
My chief. I just got the phone with my chief. You guys are
Your chief don't make laws.
See, that's what I've been putting up with the whole time.
Okay.
I am here doing a story on you
Let
guys.
me see your identification.
No, sir.
Excuse me?
I do not have to present identification unless I'm being detained for the suspicion of a crime. You cannot take my phone and stop my recording. I have the right to record.
Oh, I'm recording too, so
That's
it's okay.
fine.
You can record. Hello. But the thing about it is, you guys cannot be on city property with a weapon.
And what law states that? Okay, just so you know, the cop ended my recording on purpose, which is also illegal. I mean, you guys don't know basic fundamental Supreme Court rulings. Oh yeah, sit over there and mock me all you want.
On the internet famous.
Yes, you are.
You are.
I'm not the one in the video, you two are. Am I still being detained? Am I being detained? Anyone?
What?
Am I being detained?
You're being here for an investigation.
Am I being detained?
You're being here for an investigation.
Am I being detained?
Keep your hands on.
My hands are on the car. Am I being detained? If I'm not being detained, I will be free to leave.
Right now, at this time, you're not free to leave.
So I'm being detained.
You're being under investigation.
Of what crime? No, it's not. Hold on a minute. If you don't have reasonable suspicion of a crime, I'm free to go. Oh, shit. Yeah. Well, it'll be all right. This is deprivation of rights under the color of law, so we'll get to sue them personally. We won't have to go for the city. We can go after them. Huh? My lawyers will take care of it. I'll split whatever we get with you. What am I being detained for? What? Oh, good times, good times.
Yeah.
Huh? I'm a commissioned officer. It's my vehicle, and I'm a commissioned officer in the state of Arkansas. No, he did not. He didn't say a word. It's on video. Yes. I'm a commissioned officer in the state of Arkansas, yes. No.
Why?
Because I do not have to legally provide you identification.
Okay. You guys are not allowed on city property or on the police department's property, so you guys need to leave.
All right, bye.